we're supposed to translate it. It says by a vector. Don't be intimidated by that. It just means 2 units left, 3 units down. Whoops. Nope, nope, nope. Undo. So 2 units left means the furthest left point should be now at 1. And 3 units down, that furthest left point now goes down to 1, 0, -1 here. And so you just count out all the other, once you have 1 point, just count out where the other point should be in relation to it, right? So we translated this point, whoops, it went down here. And the highest point was 1 unit up, 3 units to the right of that left point. So 1 unit up, 1, 2, 3 units to the right. And then we go 2 units down, 1 to the right to get to the next point. So 2 units down, 1 to the right, and then we can connect it, and there's our figure. This one's 2 units left, 1 unit up. So let's focus on like the highest point. I'm going to move that highest point 2 units left, 1 unit up. So there's our dot. And I notice I'm not doing the reflection yet. I'm going to take care of that in just a second. Okay, so there's that top right point. I moved it 2 units left, 1 unit up. Now, in relation to that, the next point was supposed to be 1 down, 2 to the left. So 1 down, 2 to the left. Then from here, it's just 1, 2, 3 points down. So 1, 2, 3 points down. 1, 2, 3 points to the right. So there's our figure. Now, to reflect it, think of it like you're folding up a piece of paper. All of a sudden, this blue thing is going to start being the opposite. Oh, there's no erase tool. Huh, okay, that's going to be ugly. So I'll draw it out, and then we can come back to it in just a second. It's like it's getting flipped upside down. So this point was 1 unit away from the y equals 3 line. So my new point is 1 unit away. This one was 2 units away. So my next point up here is going to be 2 units away. And this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from the y equals 3 line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's my next point. And then these are supposed to be 3 across. So this one's supposed to be 3 across. So there's our figure reflected about the line y equals 3. Okay, but I gotta delete because it only wants one thing. So I'm gonna hit reset. I'm gonna look at it really hard right now. Reset just to memorize where all those points were. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Let's see if I can do another one from this topic. A, B, D, C, and E, G, H, F are shown below. If E, G, H, F is the translation by the vector V, then what is V? So we just need to say how many units left, how many units up, or something. So this one in the bottom right is the translation. So that means we're talking about how did this one move. And just focus on like 1 point. Okay? So like this point D had to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 points to the right, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 points down. So 10 units right, 8 down was our translation vector. Same thing with this one. What's the translation? So you could just focus on 1 point and count it out. From A to D are the same points, right? Just in a different position because of the translation. So to get from D, F is the translation. So we're starting with A, B, C and trying to translate it to D, E, F. So to go from A to D, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right, and 1, 2, 3, 4 down. 5 right, 4 down.